Guys, welcome to Crypto Investor. This is my April update for the Dash cryptocurrency. In this video, I'm going to discuss the Dash USD pair as well as the Dash BTC pair. I will also be showing if the Dash is going to outperform other cryptocurrencies like Ethereum, and for that we'll be taking a look at the Dash ETH pair. Because some people like to trade their Ethereum for Dash and so on and so forth to increase their Ethereum holdings or their Dash holdings. So what you're seeing right now in front of you, this is the 4-hour chart taken from the Poloniex cryptocurrency exchange. I'm using Poloniex because it offers the maximum amount of history if you go for the longer time intervals like weekly or monthly, which we will get back to very soon. So behind this indicator, this yellow line, this is the 2020 day moving average. This is on the 4-hour chart. Usually, even on smaller time intervals, you can see that it acts as more like, the price likes to get back to this very level whenever we pump and whenever we go down. So it is a good indicator where the momentum is. For example, if we see the price is overextended here, the price and this moving average, let's say, comes here, and you can possibly theoretically short Dash. And you can wait for the price to come back to $219 in this case. So you might want to place a buy order here if you want to get into Dash, since that already pumped. So if I want to take a position in Dash, I'll probably place my buy orders from 29.98 and 2016.93. So it usually acts as a good indicator, but we're not here to talk about entry or exits. We are here to talk about targets, or whether the Dash is going to go up or down in USD, BTC, and ETH pairs. And for that, I really suggest moving to weekly chart. Gives us a good idea where we are going and how the things are looking right now. So you can see that on the weekly, you can see that back in 2017 we had an all-time high of around $1,700, and the BTC is 3x, and Dash has not even touched its previous all-time high, which kind of confirms that Dash is severely undervalued right now. And with the fact that there are only 9 million Dash in circulation compared to around 19 million Bitcoins, Dash is severely undervalued, and it has great tech. I'm a big fan of Dash, and that's can be confirmed by my previous videos as well. The MACD is looking good. It clearly shows there is hidden bullish divergence. There's going to be continuation, and we will see a price probably higher than $350 by the end of April 2021. It looks like it. We have very strong support at, this is 20-day moving average, we have a very strong support of $157. I really do not want it to touch that very level, but since this is a moving average, it keeps on moving. So if we do crash, you can expect a good support at $180, and we have already tested this very support twice, back in February and then in March. So if you enable another indicator, let me hide the moving average. This is called the Ichimoku indicator, and this gives us an idea whether we are under resistance or we're above the resistance. And this red cloud, this used to act as resistance, and we are above this resistance. This also further confirms that Dash is in bull territory. The price is under, the bulls are in full control of Dash price right now. And this green outline of this cloud, this is going to act as support. So what needs to happen is we must stay, when we touch one of these outlines, we must bounce. We must not go below them, because if we go below this cloud, it will start acting as resistance. This is not what you want. So I do not think that is going to happen, because if you go to monthly chart, this gives us a broader view of where the things are going. You can see that we have a red cloud in front of us on the monthly, but the first major resistance is at around $488. So $500 Dash is definitely on the lines. Another thing that confirms that we are in the bull territory is these moving averages of the Ichimoku, this red line and this blue line that you see here. Let me go full screen for that, for a better view. So you can see that this red line and this blue line, these are going to act as these are monthly support lines. So we have very strong monthly support at $212 and at around $190. So $200 and $212. These are monthly support levels. We are above that, and we have made bullish divergence on that as well. On the MACD, which is also a very good indicator of whether we are in a bull or in a bear territory. You can see that when we were in red, the price was going down, and here the bear started to lose momentum and the price started going up. But it took us some time to get out of it, and we finally flipped to the green back in month of May 2020. And we accumulated for a little while, for almost 6-7 months, and then we started going up. And we made a cross here, which is a very bullish thing. And you saw this huge price movement from around $94 to over $300 in a single month, in the month of March. So in the month of February. So things have cooled down a little bit, but that is still looking very good. After crossing $500, the next major resistance is at $809, and once we are able to flip this very monthly resistance, sky's the limit for Dash. And I think we have plenty of time to do that. Usually April is a good month for altcoins, and I think Dash is going to outperform a lot of altcoins out there. It's very undervalued. Let's take a look at DASHBTC pair and to confirm if we are going to outperform Dash. If you're going to outperform Bitcoin as well, because if you're going to underperform against Bitcoin, why not just hold Bitcoin, right? So this is the DASHBTC pair, and this is the monthly chart, and this is what I do in last month, because this is what the targets are, and things honestly have not changed much. Little tweaks can be done here and there, because the price is right now at here, yeah. So we are here right now, and the monthly resistance, monthly moving average is at 0.01. So potentially $314 to 314% in profit here. And once we're able to do that, next major resistance is at somewhere around 0.027, which is exactly where we would be entering this red cloud, and then the outline of this red cloud, which is at 0.064. So 1500% plus of potential profit, and we have already flipped the green on the MACD, which further confirms we end up the bulls are now in control. So Dash is very rare, and it often outperforms every single coin when it starts moving. So you gotta have some Dash in your portfolio. Okay, so let me move to the weekly chart, because that's what tell us where we are, and even on the weekly we are still on the green, which is good. I would like the Dash to hold this very level, 0.038 for the next couple of weeks or so. We have some resistance in front of us. You can see that, and we must pass through this resistance in order to outperform against Bitcoin. Right now it is accumulating sideways a little bit, and we have not retraced fully, which is good, and we are now accumulating sideways for the past 5 weeks. I would like Dash to cross this red thing this month at least, because April is a very good month for altcoins. Next couple of months are usually extremely nice for altcoins, and we must see, and I would definitely like to see Dash outperform Bitcoin. So we have very strong resistance 0.01, and once we're able to close above that, sky is the limit. You can see that we will touch 0.017 very soon, then followed by 0.027. So yeah, this is DASHBTC, and let's take a look at ETH, because Ethereum is second most popular altcoin, and you would definitely want it to outperform Ethereum as well. So we have been not performing good against Ethereum since the March 2020, and if we finally bottomed around earlier this year, and we made a huge jump from 0.06 to 0.18, so 3x, so 300% profit nearly here, and we have been now accumulating sideways. We have very strong resistance 0.31, and this would be a good time to sell your Dash for Ethereum if you are an Ethereum maximalist, and followed by 0.052. And this is where if I have accumulated a lot of Dash, I would dedicate a certain amount of my Dash. I would convert a certain amount of Dash to Ethereum if I want to diversify. If you're all in Dash, this is what you can do. You can convert some to Bitcoin, some to USDT, and some to Ethereum for further risk. This is the weekly chart from the Binance cryptocurrency exchange, where majority of the volume of Dash ETH pair can be found. So this was my analysis of the Dash cryptocurrency for the month of April 2021. April is usually very good, and also looking very good. This is the first day, and I really hope Dash performs really well against Bitcoin this month. It will definitely perform nicely on the USD pair, but what matters to me is BTC pair. We must outperform against Bitcoin. So that's all about it. Hope you like this video. Feel free to take screenshot of this chart. This is a USD chart, which is showing various resistance and support levels. So that's all about it. Hope you like this video. That's all I need from you guys. And subscribe if you have not subscribed. This was Crypto Coin Investor signing out. Bye bye.